he thil hi FB lama post ni in mi pakhat hian afapa infiam lai hi thla ala a heti lai hian he thil danglam tak mai hi arun thleng ta ni heti thla alak reng lai hian an umna piarum kong khar hi ama chuan arun in hong ringot maya chuta afapa cycle hi ama chuan arun tharle throi mai boka khatianga thil thleng tur kha chuan thlitho satlia ringot chuan ati theidon lo ti achianga mu thei si lo eng thil muni tak chu arun che ani email khop mai
Blina. Charlie, are you ready?
Florida men hian man lai kul sangkha zasari somni panga chaude towa an sakto mun hi tloin thla te chu alakwala he kul hlui hi ala tha in tourist po a hip leni a minga thanna chan em pakhat chu helai hmuna hian sipai tele pirate thau chu an lo in bai chiam to maya heta hian pirate tam tak chu an boralani heng thil te hi kumzabi som pariat na hun lai khan a thleng na sa thin hle ni mitam takin nunna an chan to na mun ani wang te po hi ani yange a thlo tu te hian a chan em po hriat tur om chung si lo hian hlauna te hi an nei le thut mai thina an mur le sung thina ni mak ve takani enge he thlala tu hian alo lak fu chu ni yang in en teang
okay
he thlala tu po hian a thil lo lak fu hi eng thil nge niang ti in angai na chu a hrel lo hle maya mak ati hle ni a thil lo zuk lak fu na mun la hi tourist so po kal phal lo na close off section an ti mai mun ani wangin mi hring thil ti chu ani rin om chi lawa kum eng mo zat chung chu mi hring tu ma helai hmuna hian an zuk lut thla to lawani a thil lo zuk lak fu hi la lutuk lo ma se eng thil nge ni ti hi a hriat tak thei lova mi tam tak rin dana chuan helai hmuna hian pirate thau tam takin an nun na an lo chan to na hmun ani wangin pirate boral ta te thla ani an rin thu te an soi hloma he thil hi kum sang ni somni pathuma viral kha ania kum in sang ni somni pali kum tok lampang thleng po hian ani na tak hi hriat alani lova tung thleng hian unsolved mystery alani riani TikTok lama hian he thil hi ron pho chu ni in he thil hi Latin American lama thil thleng ani mela vandui thlak tak mai in mi pakhat hi a boral hlau maya chutan sunna chuan he thil danglam tak mai hi thlengin thlala tu pakhat chuan a lo rekota a hriat rengna pangpar an da hi ama chuan arun in soi ta char maya an ni ho rin dana hi chuan an thla tak boral ta hian arun la hria in arun langai rengani ti chu an rin dana niya an lungte po chu a chethar hle ni tak ni thei takang mo rindan mol mang takatanga thlir chuan thil ni thei om angpon alang lem lova thil thleng tak tak te alo ni ngai ani chuan kan voi khar hriat na te po ani ve mai thei ani nge lemchan ang tak jok niang le thi nupia lampang thil hi chu mihring dam lai tan hriat ani lova atak alem ti ngot thei po ani chi lovani konor lil hian a thil ton andor camera ina alo record fu hi aron phau chu ka he thil hi Thursday zana thil thleng ania he thil thlen lai hian ama lo tu ma pon lama hian an lovani zandariat velania konor hi alen na lama tang chuan an ina chuan aron huwa an in a thleng chep tia hian ama zui tu eng thilemoni tak tlata hriat na chu nein a hoiliat ngal thuaya eng thilma a hmu tak lova chuan a hriat sual pal mai mai ani chu ringin ngai tha tak chuan in chunga chuan a luta he video footage an en let chu a phundon on thei hialani atira kan soito ang khan zui tu nei tlata hriat na chu anei awangin a hoileta khatia wa hoilet ma hret khan pian dum vek hi a hnung dawa hian alo lang theia awa hoilet ma hret khan a bo manani kung khara hondon trep khan he thil hi lo lang le in a omna alo nei sot viau to ni pon lama hian hun rei deuh jok phei chu omse a omna hian a run thleng man to nge yang le heta po hian a voi ni nan hoilet le in a ve en le thuaka ma se mutur alo to lovani eng thil ma mulem lo ma se a hriat na chuan eng thil moni tak om nge nei ti chu a hretlat maya he thil hi adik nge ani ti video footage atang hian a chiang viau mai hei ba khi chu thil dang atong to bik lova atong zui to lo tura po nga yang ni e mihring te hi pathianin a bik taka siam kan nia thil kan hriat theina sense te po hi thataka thuam ania thil dik lo fu lo tlata hriat na kan nei te thil thalo a thleng don tlata hriat na kan nei te hian eng mo tak chu a thleng ve du khop mai mi pakhat hian a thil ti lai chol mevin amitina a hmu thil thleng dang lam tak mai chu a phone camera hian alo recordta
and just stuff is moving, right? So this has moved. I thought it was because maybe one of the things is stuck in the blinds and I closed the blinds, but that was one thing. The bike then fell.
Heng thil thleng te hi a voi khat thlen na ani to lova a ma poin alo mu to thina tun tum chu thil thleng hi lak fu ngai tum chuan a phone chuan recordin uluk devin ilo en pui te ang
and I'm just kind of now trying. I tried to film other stuff when the bike moved, and I deleted that video because nothing happened. But I'm just trying to see if I'm going mad and want to catch something. I've noticed things in this flat for quite a while, but I've always put them down to like neighbours' noise or whatever it might be. But this is the first time I've kind of actually seen things move. But so I don't really know. I want something to move, and I also don't want something to move. If anything is here, please, by all means, feel free to move something. Move one of the leaves here, move one of the leaves there, I don't know, whatever you want to move. Move the bike again, or the remote here. Don't be scared. Although I am a little bit scared. It's one of those horrible situations where you kind of want something off. There is no way. I'm so glad I got that on recording. I don't know, I'm coughing all of a sudden. Holy shit. Oh my god, I can't believe I actually got that on film. Please move it again. You've done that much. Please feel free to move it again. This, by the way, has been propped up here for ages. This has not been moved. It's never moved before. Like, I'm actually shaking a little bit. Sorry for swearing, by the way. Oh my god, I'm so happy that I've just got that on tape. And like this, yeah, this isn't like attached to anything. Like there's nothing attached to it. Like I haven't kicked it, I haven't moved anything. It's been, yeah, like, well, I don't know how it was now, but it's been kind of propped up for a long time. I'm going to lay it down a bit more. I absolutely knew that
Atopa chuan thil thleng hi alo record fu tangai maya a guitar chu lakangin engrui ma a po che tani lo dan te chu aron ti chianga chan chopani lo zia aron phaulang ani ber mai hei ba ka hian alo record man lo thir sakor che te blind curtain che te chu alo hmuto thina paranormal activity a che ne na hian a thleng ve thina ni mela a zual zelang ti chu a hlau thon om pui khop mai The Willow Project hi atira chuan skeptics thil mak le hlawhawm ring lo tu te zingami ani vea heng thom remak tak mi ten an hriat thin te object che te chen chuan a soifiana logic om chuan a ring tlat peka ma se hnu zela chuan ani kherangemo tum khat chu an tik sopa hian kalin object rang a hrang an ti te chu a en kuala chung thil te chu unboxing thla te chu a in lak pa reng boka a chaw lutuk wang le a pong tong ngam lutuk wang nge ni heng thla te hian an ron ti boi chho tran ta ani mel khop mai zana te hian thom dang lam deuh te chu aron om chho fo tamaya light te hi an phele zuk thina bathroom kongkhar ama ron in hong te bathroom chuata thil lo tla nok le noi mai thin te water tap ama a lo in on le rengot thin te chu atong chho zeu maya zan khat chu a zan mulai chu in chunga thomron oma wang chuan har lolin thomron chuna lai nia a hriat chu en fiat tur chuan a che chuaka.
You guys hear that? What the hell? Hello? What? Come on. It's not turning on. Shit. What the hell, dude? I'm getting enough of this shit. Seriously. Hello? Hello?
Bol hi amalama hian aron liringot maya chuta bathroom chung avalut chu light on an tum chu eng light ma chu alo eng thei reng lo maya door nop la chu a khoi tu om chung si lo hian aron in her pop maya heng thil thleng te hi a viewer ten an lo hmu chuan a in chunga chuan camera kam tur te chuan an tia chuta thil thleng chu hei hi ni. room chunga cabinet kong kharte hi an mani chuan an ron in honga pakhat mai po ni lovin pahni pathum lai mai chu an ron in honga hei po hi ati tu mu tur awm le chuang mi lovani rum khat chu hea ina cheng chu bol mang hian bek po chu atuma
Guys, this is what I've been doing for the past few days. Yo, that's so nuts, dude. Yo, I kid you not, there's like, for the 100th time, there's nobody behind there, and I have 2 angles running. Look, I'll turn on the light. You see me? I'll close the door behind me. Okay. Check this out. There's nobody in here. Nobody in this room. I'm literally at the entrance. As you can see, I'm gonna turn on the light. Nobody's underneath there. As you can see, turning on the light. Okay. Closing the door. Closing, and remember, I do have 2 angles running. As you can see. Okay. This door is closed, and I'm right here. You see this? Nobody's here. Behind there, in this unit, as you can see, I'm at this corner of the room. I'm opening this door. Nobody's here. Nobody's here. Nobody's walking. Nobody's crawling. Opening, see on this angle here. I will show here, as you can see. I will show here again. Nothing, 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 nothing. Nobody's behind me, as you can see. Okay. Nobody's on this angle. You see this? I'm telling you, I'm not alone. I'm not alone. What the hell? I closed this door. What the f, man?
bol chu ruma chuan lir phein ama chuan aron in lir pheile tamaya mak ve deuh chu ni akalsan room kong khar chu kharin ador no phi ama chuan aron che a anu dawa chuan aron in hong le buka mu thei si lo thil chu aron che ti a hriat thei ani ama hi gamer ni in room khat chu game sa khel lai in he thil hi aron thleng le buka
Did that move?
a thunna bula dawhkan hi ama chuan ron che in dawhkana hun cross si ama chuan aron in thena thil mak le hlauhawm ring lo tu ni ma se ataka aton ta ka chuan a ring ve to nge yang le